What's good, YouTube? Y'all, we back with another video. As y'all can see, man, we over here with the gang, man. As y'all can see, everybody finna wash their car. I don't know what we got planned for today, but I'm gonna bring y'all along with me. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. And yeah, let's. Call y'all the GoPro boys.
You might as well get one now.
Might will.
You need that 350 to
Might will. Get that long straight bitch.
Right. Long straight bitch. GoPro boy.
What the fuck I need to do the windshield for?
To clean the buzz out the windshield, nigga.
What buzz?
You don't clean your windshield when you wash your car? That nigga crazy. Did you even wash the car? Fuck this shit. I'm finna go and take me a shower. I don't play by my fucking socks getting wet. I swear, so I go all the way home. Yeah. Now if I go home, y'all ain't gonna see me none today now.
I told y'all that last time you left. Nigga said, I'm gonna go home and take
Nigga said, we been waiting on you from... Treyway said, I'm waiting on you from yesterday. And the day before yesterday. Hey, so y'all coming with us tonight? They got races in Gonzales tonight. Sydney. They meeting up at 9 at racetrack. So they mean you ain't gonna come then, basically. Okay.
I gotta see a picture first. See all that. Do that blue, I can still keep my white leather too.
Yeah, you keep everything on this bitch. This bitch clean as a fuck. I like the ass part of that bitch. That bitch looks so sexy. You feel me? Houston 7133. Oh hell no! At least you ass.
What you doing, bitch?
Washing this Hellcat.
You getting in there?
Yeah.
You think you lost it?
Yeah.
Damn, bitch. Hey, you need a four-wheel alignment though.
I know. I need all that shit.
You got the bitches out here. That one not getting washed. She gonna be dirty for the rest of her life.
Alright, I got that part.
Alright.
Here.
That shit smoking, boy.
That's that cover off.
Oh, you spraying it?
Yeah.
I didn't know you was spraying it.
B, what you doing, B?
B, I'm putting some oil on this bitch. It's called lube. It's gonna keep that bitch.
Let me see that shit. Let me see that shit.
Lube.
It's called lube. It's gonna keep it oil. It's gonna keep that rotation. It's gonna give you that 360 twist, and that's what you need.
What else you use that for? Anything you need.
I can use it on you.
You want
to get fucked? Look, let me tell you something. Look, let me tell you something.
Look here, boy. I ain't with none of that.
You want your bills paid?
You want to get shot?
Want your bills paid?
You want to get shot?
The only thing stopping your bills from getting paid is you in that bed. So if you want your bills paid,
What kind of freak shit you on, cuz?
meet me in that bed.
Hey, fuck around and wait.
I'm about to go run and pick up my sister. Where y'all gonna be after that? Where you gotta go? I can wait on you. I gotta go to all right now. So I'm finna attempt to do 360 turn around, jump flip, back flip, double dash.
Oh, bitch, you finna die.
Nigga said double dash. You ready?
Nigga say double dash. Show me some.
Oh shit!
Boy,
The
finna.
fucking chain broke. I hit my knee. All right, bitch. Turn the camera off now. Slide.
No.
Turn the camera off. You got a chip? You got a folding chip?
Oh, bitch.
All right, get that bitch right. Show your big ass. So look, so that's so look, let me I'm gonna put y'all through it. So all right. So what BTTJ is doing right now, he gotta go over, you gotta look what the fuck sign look like.
Fuck.
Big nasty boot ass keep fucking with me.
Oh, Lord. Here we fucking go. Can I have my dick back?
Y'all, work shoes.
Lord.
This the work shoes.
Oh, yeah. Knock on the bitch's phone.
Y'all hear that?
Treyway, you that fucking scared? If you need gas, why your shit ran? Them boys be having them GoPros back at them bitches. Say, where your GoPro at? Them dead ass rims. Where your camera at? You gonna put it on?
Well, you said what got inside of the phone?
This low key moving, son. Look. Never mind. It dried
That ain't
now.
moving.
It dried now. It dried.
Look at that ice cream. Shit, man. We out here posted up, you feel me? Me and my dog Rob out here in the cut. You know what I'm saying? Look how Dion post. Hey, Dion then went in the store? You feeling your car? Damn. Oh, you park like a bad bitch. Don't play with him. That boy got that shit in there.
Wait now.
Why?
You know how you do the.
That boy got that shit. Man, we got them GoPros out here. Your shit on too?
I ain't know.
Can you turn it on from your phone?
Yeah.
Or you gotta click? That bitch looking good over there. I need me something to drink. I need to go get me something to drink. Fucking thirsty as a motherfucker. Thirsty. I left my money in my car. Yeah, we on the way. Finna go, Trey gotta go pick up somebody, so we finna call him. And then I don't know what's going on after that, so. Oh man, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like and comment. Make sure y'all watch the full video, you hear me? Let's get it. Driving that bitch like a crackhead. Nah, I ain't gonna record this the whole time. I'm just getting the little clips in. What up, Nick? What up, Nick? 392, Nick. Ah. Look at that destroyer, sucker. Hey, where we going when we do that? Bad as a bitch. Look at this 18 wheelers. slide. Oh, that boy in that bitch. That boy was in that bitch. Man, that nigga twist that. Look at the fucking time off. I ain't gonna lie, that boy was in there.
You ain't right with the foot, you ain't right with shit.
Hey, I know y'all seen that bitch jumping in the air on the interstate.
One time,